High-paying careers in data science and analytics, brought to you by Escon Infosystems. Let's begin with a powerful fact. Data science and analytics are among the fastest-growing career domains globally. According to IBM, 11.5 million new data jobs will be created by 2026. From healthcare to finance, every industry needs data professionals. Data is now the new oil, and those who know how to extract insights from it will lead the future. Top job roles in the data domain. So what roles are in demand today and in the near future? There are two main paths: data analysts and data scientists. As a data analyst, you could become a business analyst, BI analyst, or even a reporting specialist. As a data scientist, roles include machine learning engineer, NLP specialist, or AI researcher. These professionals are being hired by top global companies, and the demand keeps growing. Skill set for data analysts. If you're aiming for a data analyst role, here are the skills you'll need. Basic tools like Excel and SQL are essential. You'll also learn Python for data wrangling, along with data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. A good grasp of statistics and business understanding is a huge advantage. This path is perfect for freshers and those looking to switch careers. Skill set for data scientists. Now let's talk about data science. This track requires deeper technical skills. You'll work with advanced Python libraries, apply machine learning algorithms, and master statistics and probability. Knowledge of deep learning tools like TensorFlow and Keras is key. You'll also learn about model deployment, version control using Git, and working with APIs. Why learn these skills? Why should you learn these skills now? Because they lead to high-paying jobs starting from Rs 6 to 25 LPA in India. Data professionals also enjoy remote work, global exposure, and projects that make a real-world impact, from AI to climate change. These are future-proof, recession-resistant skills, and with low-code tools, even non-tech professionals can break into this field. No matter your background, BCA, BBA, MBA, BSc or engineering, you can learn and earn. Real job salaries in India 2024-2025. Let's take a look at real salary data for 2024 and 2025. As a data analyst, you can earn Rs 4 to 8 LPA with just 0 to 2 years of experience. Data scientists with 2 to 5 years average Rs 8 to 15 LPA. ML engineers can go up to Rs 20 LPA, and BI developers start from Rs 5 LPA. And remember, salaries are often much higher in MNCs, startups, and international remote roles. Join the winning program. Ready to launch your career in data science and analytics? Join the industry-recognized program by Escon Infosystems. Get hands-on learning through real-world projects, learn from expert mentors with live doubt support. Plus, benefit from internship opportunities, placement assistance, and certifications aligned with top industry standards. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Visit www.escons.in or call +91 8090978001 to enroll now. Your data career starts here.